Everyone wants to love and to be loved. To my beloved instructor, Ms. Ferry Magnaon, and to my fellow future educators, ladies and gents, good morning. To start out, it's my privilege to speak here in front of you to talk about or share about the undying word of love. To start off, when I hear the word love, it's kind of broad word that's tough to define. And immediately comes up in my mind not the vernacular version of mine as luod o very igat, but I'm just kidding. So, love is too complex to talk about. Looking back in our teenage days, crushes is always there and the ever popular love at first sight. And we concluded that we're in love, in which it is a big mistake to every young adult perception, because that's not what you call love, but rather an infatuation of present-day life. A lot of various definitions that we can read of what love is. Even when we seek in the dictionary, there's no assurance of what's the meaning of it. However, though we differ in different aspects of believing what love is, I'd like we all know that love is a universal feeling or emotion of every human on this earth loves someone. Also known as one of the most important human values of every human. And it's not necessary that love exists only in opposite sexes, but love between humans, between brothers, between sisters, between brothers and sisters, between parents and children, between husband and wife, between neighbors, between nations, between all the relations, and love also exists between humans, and also between other human beings such as animals. Therefore, nobody can deny the existence of love in this world. These statements were all true. We can never, but the ultimate love can never be defined nor seen, because the ultimate love that I'm trying to imply you is the divine love of our Almighty Creator. Just like we're in love to a person, we cannot explain the feeling or our emotions or why we love on that special someone. And on the contrary, just like God, we cannot see Him nor touch Him, but we can feel His love, but we can feel His presence and His love, especially in times of circumstances. He has a big heart because He covers the world with love. Through Him and with Him, we can say that we're satisfied in everything we did because God always surrounds us and never leaves us. He is the provider of every individual. In this, knowing God is knowing the real meaning of love.